Hi, this is Alec Robinson with MobiTech 3000. I want to talk to you about one of the new features that we added in JotNot 2.1 for the iPhone. JotNot 2.1 now includes Google Docs integration. And Google Docs is great for uploading files and sharing them online. But there's also a really cool feature that we were able to include in this new version, which is Google's OCR, integration with Google's OCR engine. So now you can take a picture of a document and have that when you upload it to Google Docs, Google will convert all of that, all the text information in that image into editable text, and it will store it into your Google Docs account. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So if we start here in the JotNot main view, we have two documents in this case. I'm going to select the first document that I've already scanned, and I'm going to select the page. One of the things is with the Google integration is you have to go into the page detail view to access the OCR feature. So when you're in this page detail view where you can see a zoomed in version of the page, there's an action sheet icon down at the bottom that will pull up all the different sharing options available to you. So in this case, I'm interested in the Google Docs integration, so I'm going to click Upload to Google Docs, and you can see I have a number. This pulls up the Google Docs upload screen, and there are a bunch of options available to me here. The first thing is the ability to give this a file a name, be able to name this file. So I'm going to name it OCR example, and then I'm going to, I don't need to share this with anybody, but I do want to select OCR, and to do that I need to turn this switch to the on position. So I can hit return here, and then I'll click upload, and while this document is being uploaded to Google Docs, you'll see a progress indicator here on your screen which shows you how far along the process is, and at the very end this bar sort of reaches the end, and at this point the document's uploaded and we're waiting for Google to respond to OCR the document, to create it and stick it in your Google Docs account. And so once that's done, you'll get a confirmation here, and we'll say OK, and then I'll go over here to my Google Docs account. I'm going to refresh this view for you, and you can see that we've uploaded a document called OCR example. Now when I click in this, you can see that now we have editable text. This is basically the exact text that was in that image. That's, instead of uploading the image as a PDF to Google Docs, we've actually uploaded the actual text in that image and created a new document in Google Docs. So that's pretty cool. Now, what happens if we don't want that? Well, what we can do is if we come back here into the document view and we click Upload to Google Docs, we can give this a file name, sort of, we'll say this PDF example. And in this case, it's just going to upload the entire document, but this time it's going to upload it as a PDF rather than an OCR editable text version of the document. So again, we get a progress indicator that gives us some sort of indication about how long is remaining in the upload. We reach the end, we're waiting on Google to respond. We say OK. We come over here to Google Docs again. I'll refresh the list view, and you can see here's a PDF, and you can see it's actually been embedded as a PDF. So as you can see, here's the just to give you an example, here's the PDF of what we scanned, and here is the actual editable text. So it does a reasonably good job, and it's super simple to access using Google Docs if you have your Google Docs account available to you. So that's basically it, and I hope you found this demonstration useful. Thank you for listening.